Allocate money for the road sector, which was amounting for more than 700 million Kenya shillings. What we are asking, and we are worried as members of the County Assembly, despite that the governor decided to go the lot system of procurement of roads, there are some of the roads which have not been procured under the lot system, and those projects need to go through a process called quotation. So we are asking governor, because we have already, as members of the County Assembly, identified the sectors in terms of priority and ranked those sectors, and we have ranked roads as an enabler and the first one in the priority of sector or project that needs to be implemented. In fact, as a matter of fact, we have ranked roads as number 1, we have ranked health sector as number 2, we have ranked water as number 3, and we have ranked the education sector as number 4.
Roads, you had the same governor spoke during the President visit Musocho that he had done more than 200 kilometers, which is a lie to all of us. We are aware that for this current year budget, we had allocated 750 million to do the roads in the whole Kisii County, the 45 wards. And since we passed that budget in June, we have altered that budget 2 times, and it has not been implemented. The governor has not implemented any project using that same budget. Only that he had procured around 9 under the 9 sub-counties, what we call lotting. That one, I mean that in every sub-county, all roads to be done by one contractor, something that we objected, but he went against our submission. And those roads, he recently launched them. That means he has not done an inch of a road in any ward.
That is what we are asking, Governor, because this ranking is what emanates from the public participation we do at the grassroots level. Now that road is an enabler and is ranked as number 1 in terms of the priority execution of projects, we are asking Governor that those roads that he has not been able to put under the lot system of procurement, they actually be procured under the quotation, and let him not be malicious enough to begin saying that some of the MCAs who do not agree with him on principle in terms of ideologies, their wards are not going to be procured.
Telling the public that the Kisii County governor has not done an inch of road in Kisii County. Apart from doing those roads, I have said that we had allocated 750 million to do roads in all the wards. In the recent supplementary that we did, we have realized that he has cut the 700 million from 700 to 400. He took away 300 million from the road department. That means he has affected so many wards, so the roads that the MCAs had proposed are not going to be done. The 300, he did not mention where he took that money. Only recently that I heard him speak when he was addressing you, the state of the county, that he has taken that money to just support the national government work.
This is called committing a crime, and something as the leaders we will not be able to take lightly, and it's a discussion and a conversation that we intend to have in the coming days.
2 big markets in the Nyanza region, that's Magena and the Marani market. I want to tell the public that those 2 projects were funded by the National and Agricultural Rural Inclusive Project with the help of the national government, and it is an ongoing project. And they are not big, as he mentioned them, that they are the most big markets in the Nyanza region. Those are total lies. Ask the governor to just utilize the budget that we have given him